I raised this issue in 1999 during the 13th Lok Sabha, and Hansi Cronje accepted the fact in front of a court, saying that he had fixed matches and lost them, and the bookies were from Delhi and India. It's been 13 years since then, and we have measured from match fixing to spot fixing. I fail to understand as to what the board is doing. The corruption doesn't start from bottom to top, it comes from top to the bottom. And if at all, apart from the players, anybody is responsible for this, it's the board entirety by itself. They'll have to take moral responsibility for it. Well, they were getting in touch with the players during the one-day games and test matches. So it's nothing new that it's easy to get in touch now. They can get in touch anytime. BCCI cannot do it. BCCI can have only internal inquiries and then penalize the boys and tell them we're banning you. They banned Azharuddin, they banned Ajay Jadeja, they banned Nayan Hungia. But they couldn't do anything more than that because the players went to court. So we should devise a plan as we see in England, where you have quick judgment, charge sheets filed, judgment, and whether they go to jail or they don't go to jail, it's decided by the court. The BCCI will never take any steps like this except for banning. Definitely they've done a great job. The sting operation shows that there is still a lot of problems. And look at the popularity of the game. A few people, few cricketers, and then majorly a lot of these administrators. After all, everybody is getting 30 crores of rupees every year. That's every association. Where does the money go? Nobody knows. So I have asked for a special audit of the BCCI and all the affiliated associations to find out the truth. After all, where the money is gone. Could be quite possible. They're like a corporate sector. You can't do anything on a corporate sector. Same way, BCCI has become a corporate sector. Well, you'll have to ask the board, not me. I'm sure the ban must have been lifted. That's the reason they're playing with IPL. The reason for that is that when there is no proper monitoring, you'll find such problems. Match fixing, spot fixing, and it is told many of these members of the board are involved in it. And you can't find out really. If you and I sit down in the evening and you offer me something and I accept it, nobody knows. So until unless you strengthen yourself, your disciplinary unit, till then nothing will happen. Let me put it this way. As far as the board is concerned, the spot fixing or the match fixing is concerned, there is no smoke without fire. You cannot educate anybody to be honest. It has to come from within. And there is a saying in Hindi which says, Ulta chor kotwal ko dante. The board is like Ali Baba and 40 chor. You must have heard of that story. That is exactly what it has to come from within. When you look at the parliament, you find the opposition raising question, hue and cry in parliament, stalling the parliament. And the government has to answer. At times the government puts the onus on the opposition regarding corruption taking in various states. So you have two sides when they talk about corruption in parliament. But then when it comes to cricket, whether they belong to this side, the ruling or the opposition, they are all together and supporting each other. It's not in one house, it's in both houses. So when all of them get together, then obviously they are influential people, they are cabinet ministers, they are state ministers, they are leaders from the opposition. And when you have all of them, then obviously the day-to-day corruption doesn't come into the eye. No, I don't believe that. Just because a few isolated cases doesn't make the game bad. It's the ones who are playing make it bad. So we must shun them, and also those in the board who've only involved themselves in corruption. They should be taken to court. But the board won't do that. They just want to simply have their own vigilance inquiry make somebody a scapegoat and not go into the causes of it and whether any of the officials are involved in it or not.